Happy morning, my dear children. Welcome to Elga online class. Today we have to cover Unit 7 and Day 12. All the time while you are attending the online class, make sure that you have student reader, workbook, pencil, eraser, crayons along with you. Shall we go to the class, my dear children? Yes. First of all, yesterday I gave a homework, right? Did you complete that worksheet? Yes. Let us check out your answers. I show the answer now. You will take your worksheet number 17, question number 2, page number 68. Let us check out your answers, my dear children. Hip, pit, hit, lip, tin and fig. So, did you match the words with pictures, my dear children? Yes. If you make a mistake means rub and write it now. Yeah, great, my dear children. Let us move to today's lesson. In phonics class, you have to take your SR book, SR 9, page number 52. I'll give 5 seconds time. I start counting 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. I hope you are all opened your SR book. Yes. From today's class, we have to recap the in, of and og word families. Okay. So you have to touch your finger or your pencil. Read that. Okay. In word family. B, E in bin. B, E in bin, F, E in fin, T, E in din, P, E in bin. Then some more examples here. Sin, win, hin. Just you have to use your hands, okay, to read these words, okay. Yes. Then here having some sentences. CVC words also having. Let us try to read the sentences in your home, okay. Next, our word family. You also read along with me. You have to use the left hand, touch your shoulder, then forearm after wrist. Where is that? Beginning sound, middle sound and end sound, right? Ab, shab. Ab, mob. Ab, mob. Ab, cob. Ab, rob. Here also having some examples. Ab, bob. Ab, job. Ab, log. Once again I'll read the ab word family. Sob, mob, cob, rob, bob, job and log. Then here also having some sentences. You will read this in your own, okay. Next page. Og word family. D-og, dog. F-og, fog. L-og, log. J-og, jog. B-og, bog. G-og, gog. H-og, hog. Once again I will read this og word family. Dog. You also read along with me. Fog, log, jog, bog, cob, hog. Then you have to use your left hand, touch your shoulder for the beginning sound, then forearm for the middle sound, wrist. You have to use the end sound, okay. Then here also having some example sentences. You will read the words as it is, but here having any word families means you have to use the letter sound to read these words, okay. Yes. So are you clear from this? Yes. Shall we do one worksheet from this related phonics section? Yes. Now you will take your workbook and also rule pencil. Worksheet number 19, question number to page number 70. I'll give 5 seconds time. I start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. My dear children, which worksheet I said to you take that? Yes, worksheet number 19. What is the question number of this? Yes, question number 2. What is the page number of this worksheet 19? Page number 70. Right? Yes. In this question, you have circled the picture in the each row with the same word family as the first one in the box. Okay? See that? Circle the pictures from the same word family as the first one in the box. This is the first one. Here having any related word family, just you have to circle the picture. Are you ready? Yes. So see the first question, A question. Bin. Bin. After that I will read this remaining. Wig. Tin. Tip. So my dear children, which picture has the same word family from this first one? Very good. Tin. So you have to circle this picture. Next question. Log. Log. Rob. Rob. Pin. Pin. Fog. 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 Right? So which picture has the same word family from this first one? Yes. Fog. You have to circle this picture. Next. Cob. Cob. Dog. Dog. Mob. Mob. Fin. Fin. So can you guess the answer? Which picture has the same word family from the first one? Yes. Cob. Mob. You have to circle this picture. So my dear children, you have to check out your answer. Pin, fin, log, fog, cob, mob. Right? Yes. You have to finish it neatly. Then let us move to the next worksheet. Worksheet number 20. Question number 1 we will do now. Same as it is. Circle the pictures from the same word family as the first one in the box. Right? Pit. Pit. See the another pictures. Log. Log. Sit. Sit. Pick. Pick. So which has the same related same word family? Pit. Sit. So you have to circle this picture. Next. B question. Wig. Wig. Dog. Dog. Fig. Fig. Tin. Tin. So which picture has the same word family from this first picture? Yeah, great. Wig. Fig. So you have to circle this picture. Next. Lip. Lip. Let us see there some more pictures. Hit. Tip. Tip. Pin. Pin. Can you guess the answer, my dear kids? Yes. Lip. Tip. So you have to circle this. Let us check out your answers, my dear children. Yes. Great, my dear children. Let us move to the whole word section. Today we will learn the spelling of the words we have learned how to read. Okay? Yes. Now I show the flashcards. See that? What is this whole word? Very. 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 So we have to say the spelling now. V-E-R-Y. V-E-R-Y. Very. Very. Now you will open your notebook. Open the whole words page. You will write this word Okay, in your notebook. You have to write 5 times. I start counting. 3, 2, 1. Yes, next word. Has. Has. H-A-S. H-A-S. Has. 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 Write your notebook, my dear children. Has. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Long. Long. L-O-N-G. L-O-N-G. Long. 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 Write your notebook, write neatly. Don't scribble, my dear children. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Have you all finished? Yes. Fast. 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 F-A-S-T. Fast. F-A-S-T. Fast. Fast. Write your notebook. Start counting. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Leaves. 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 L-I-V-E-S. Leaves. Leaves. L-I-V-E-S. Leaves. Write neatly, my dear children. Start counting. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Loves. Loves. L-O-V-E-S. Loves. Loves. L-O-V-E-S. Loves. Write neatly, ma. Spell and write. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Saw. 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 S-A-W. Saw. S-A-W. Saw. Yes, I start counting. 5, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Heard. Heard. H-E-A-R-D. Heard. 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 H-E-A-R-D. Heard. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. Ears. Ears. Y-E-A-R-S. Ears. Ears. Once again. Y-E-A-R-S. Ears. Yes, I start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Gave. Gave. G-A-V-E. Gave. Gave. G-A-V-E. Gave. Gave. Yes. Yeah, great, my dear children. Once again, I say the whole words. Very. Has. Long. Fast. Lives. Loves. Saw. Heard. Ears and gave. Write this 5 times in your notebook, my dear children. Yes. Great. Now let us move to the reading and listening comprehension session. Today you are going to read the story independently. Now you will open your SR book, SR 14, All About Animals page. All About Animals. I will give 3 seconds time. You will open that page. Page number 57. I start counting. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. You also read along with me. All about animals. Author Namita Gold. Illustrations Gigi Benha. See the first page. This is a deer. It has a big horns. It can run very fast. See the next page. You also read along with me, my dear children. This is an elephant. It has long trunk. It is very strong. This is a giraffe. It has spots on its body. It is very tall. Next, this is a zebra. It has stripes on its body. It can run very fast. This is a polar bear. It is white in color. It is very big in size. Yes, I hope you are all read along with me. Shall we discuss some questions about the story, my dear children? Yes. Who is the character on page number 1? Anybody say? Yes, deer. Where is the character on page number 1? That means settings. Great, my dear children. Forest. Who is the character on page number 3? Yes, giraffe. What's the character doing on page number 4? Great, Kutima. Running. Who is the character on page number 5? Yes, polar bear. My dear children, which is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is dog. What about you? Yes, great, my dear children. Yes. Now, you will open your worksheet. Worksheet number 20. Question number 2. Page number 71. I will give 3 seconds time. Start counting. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. This is the worksheet number 20. Question number 2. Number the pictures in the correct sequence. See. Correct sequencing means putting the number in correct order. Right? See that? See the pictures. The boy is bathing. The boy went out. Then the boy wearing the dress. Then the boy got up to the bed. Right? So which one is the first? About yourself. நீங்க என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க first? Right? So first of all, this boy wake up. This is number 1. After that, take baths. This is number 2. Then wearing the dress. Then go out. Right? So which is the number 1? This is the number 1. Takes bath number 2. Wearing dress 3. Then go out. This is the number 4. Now you will take your rule pencil and write that. Correct sequence. See this, my dear children. Let us check out your answer. Wake up first. Taking bath 2. Wearing dress 4. Going out number 4. Yes. Great, my dear children. Now you will open your SR book. SR 16. Page number 59. I will give 3 seconds time. Start counting. 3, 2, 1 and 0. Just you have to look at the vocabulary words from the story. I will show the CRL. Okay. You have to point out the picture in your book. Okay. Yes. Horns. Horns. What is meaning by horns? Kombu. Horns. Drunk. 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 Drunk means tandam. Drunk. Spots means pulligal, right? Spots. Spots. Yes. Stripes. Stripes. Stripes means varihal. Stripes. Strong. Strong. Strong means balam. Strong. Yes. Yeah, do you understand, my dear children? Shall we do one worksheet from this related vocabulary words? Are you ready? Yes. Now you will open your worksheet number 21, question number 1, and also take your rule pencil. I'll give 3 seconds time. I start counting. 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. See this, match word with pictures. We have to read the words first. Horns, spots, stripes, drunk, then strong. So we have to match the word with pictures. Horns, spots, stripes, drunk, then strong. Right? So you have to take your rule pencil and then match the word with pictures now. Yeah, see the answer. Check your workbook, my dear children. Check out your answers. Yeah, great, my dear children. Next, let us move to the grammar section. Shall we do one action words activity? Are you ready now? Yes. See that? Write the action words you see in the pictures. Which actions do you see in the pictures? I'll give 30 seconds time. Listen to the picture. Which actions you have to see that? Listen carefully, my dear kids. Which actions can you see this? Sitting, standing, walking, talking. What is that? Eating, seeing, walking, sitting. They are all that, right? So my dear children, you will take your notebook. What did you see this picture? What actions did you see this picture? So you have to write down your grammar page from your notebook, okay? Yes. Write neatly. Next, I show the next slide. After we have to discuss that actions. See the next slide, my dear children. What actions here going on? Just you have to identify the actions from this picture. Yes, crying, dancing, clapping, sitting, standing. These are all the actions from this picture, right? Once again, crying, clapping, sitting, dancing, standing. These are all the actions, okay? Just you have to write down your notebook, grammar page, okay? From your home, what actions you are doing or another is doing, just you have to identify that. After that, you will write your notebook also. Just you have to improve the grammar section, okay? Yes. Yeah, great, my dear children. Next, I will teach you a writing and speaking expression skill. Now you have to open your notebook where you have to draw and written on the topic in the previous class. I will give 3 seconds time. I start counting. 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. So my dear children, this is my drawing. I will narrate about my drawing. You listen carefully, okay? This is a frog. This is a frog. Frog lives in pond. Frog lives in a pond. Frog has 2 eyes, 2 ears and 1 nose. Frog has a 2 eyes, 2 ears and 1 nose. Frog is green in color. Frog is green in color. Frog jumps one place to other. Frog jumps one place to other. So do you understand? Once again, this is a frog. Frog lives in pond. Frog has 2 eyes, 2 ears and 1 nose. Frog is green in color. Frog jumps from one place to other. So this is how we narrate our story. We point out our drawings, read the sentence structure, okay? Think and then create the sentence according just like I did, my dear children. Do you understand? Now you will take your drawing and then about your reading your sentences, okay? From your home, you will read about your drawing, okay? Speak about your drawing. Just you have to improve your writing and speaking expressions skill, my dear children. Yes. Yes, let us revise the today's class what we learned. We recap the word families. After that we did some worksheet from that. Then whole words. We saw some whole words. After that we wrote the spelling. So if you are not complete means you will write that 5 times in your notebook, my dear children. Then reading and listening comprehension. We read the story all about animals independently. After that we did the worksheet. Then grammar section, we saw some pictures, what the actions are going there. You will write your notebooks, right? From that also you will write your notebook, write neatly. Then writing and speaking expression, we narrate our story about our drawings, right? Yes, now home practice. Write the spelling of all whole words done in the class. Enna pathinglo, just you have to see your SR book. You will write 5 times, okay? Then refer new whole words also. Then read the story all about animals from SR book, okay? Read and come, my dear children. Thank you. Bye. Happy learning.